Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for everything beauty. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to make every makeup artist's life a little easier. We're taking a closer look at the Rolling Makeup Bag Professional Makeup Artist Bags 4-in-1 Rolling Cosmetics Case Organizer. This travel-friendly, all-in-one organizer promises to keep your cosmetics, brushes, and tools neat and accessible. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, let's talk specifics. This rolling makeup case is a 4-in-1 set, meaning you're getting 4 separate storage units plus a total of 11 pieces, including pouches, brush bags, and a trolley case. The case itself is built with durable, waterproof material to keep your makeup protected, while the dividers inside are adjustable, giving you control over how you want to organize everything. The case also features a front pocket with space for lipstick panels and hair tools, basically everything a professional makeup artist might need. The star feature, the universal wheels. These aren't just your typical wheels. They swivel 360 degrees, making it a breeze to roll this case around on different surfaces. It's quiet, smooth, and designed to be durable, so navigating through crowded events or travel scenarios should be hassle-free. Using this makeup case has been a breeze. The different components make it versatile. You can use each bag separately with its removable shoulder strap, which means it's great whether you're heading to a gig or on the go. I was impressed by the amount of space inside the trolley case itself, and with the adjustable dividers, I had no problem organizing my products exactly how I wanted. Whether you're carrying hair tools, skincare, or a full makeup kit, there's room for it all. However, while this case does offer a lot of functionality, it's not without its flaws. The build quality is solid overall, but the material, while durable, can sometimes feel a little too rigid, especially when you're packing items that don't fit perfectly into the compartments. It's a bit bulky, so if you're someone who prefers a lighter, more compact case for travel, it might feel like a bit of an overkill. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros: 360-degree swivel wheels are a game changer. They roll smoothly and quietly, making this case easy to move around. Versatile design with 4 bags, each featuring a shoulder strap, gives you multiple ways to carry it. Ample storage space, with adjustable dividers and dedicated spots for brushes, cosmetics, and even hair tools. High-quality waterproof material that protects your makeup from spills or weather. Cons: the rigid structure can make it harder to pack oddly shaped items. Bulky design may not suit those looking for a compact or lightweight option. While it's made of quality materials, the zippers and compartments could use a bit more attention for durability. Is this rolling makeup bag worth the price? Considering the quality, versatility, and ample storage space, I'd say it offers good value for money, especially for professionals or makeup artists who need to carry a variety of tools and products. However, for the everyday user, the size and bulk might not justify the cost. In terms of alternatives, there are definitely more compact options available if you don't need such a large case. But for a makeup artist or someone who frequently travels with a large collection of products, this organizer is a solid choice. The rolling makeup bag holds up well against competitors, especially when it comes to ease of use and mobility, with its high-quality materials, adjustable dividers, and space management. It doesn't hurt to consider if its size fits your needs, though, because while it's great for a lot of stuff, it might be a bit too much for a simpler setup. Wrapping up with my final thoughts. This 4-in-1 rolling makeup case excels in organization and mobility, making it a top pick for professionals. But if you're looking for something more compact and less bulky, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a functional, durable, and thoughtful design, especially for those who need versatility in a makeup travel case. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other makeup enthusiasts and artists can find this video. If you have any thoughts, questions, or your own experience with the product, drop them in the comments below. And of course, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautyistic.